Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the brand new DJI Flip 2 battery combo drone recently launched in the Asian market. Before we begin the unboxing, make sure to scan this code and download the DJI Fly app on your smartphone. Also, before opening the box, it's extremely important to verify whether your drone is an authorized DJI product. You can easily do this by checking the serial number. Watch the full video from the I button above. Now let's begin the unboxing. Right after opening the box, the first thing we get is a battery. Next we have two extra propeller, a type C to type C data cable, and a screwdriver. Then comes the user manual guide along with some stickers. And finally, here is the DJI Flip drone itself. This is the updated version of the standard package, which means there is no remote controller included in the box. Instead, DJI has provided an extra battery in this combo. Before using the drone for the first time, it must be activated. And to activate the drone, you need to charge it first. As clearly written on the body of the drone, charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. So the battery needs to be fully charged. For that, I will use the cable provided in the box and start charging the drone. Before charging, let's take a quick overall look at the drone. Since this is a foldable drone, its look very compact and attractive. The design is quite unique, almost like a bicycle wheel, and the propellers are safely protected inside the frame. The drone weighs only 249 grams, which make it extremely portable and easy to carry anywhere without hassle. It features a powerful 48 megapixel camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal, allowing you to shoot stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second and slow motion footage at 4K 100 fps. One of the biggest advantages of this drone is its versatility. You can fly it in three different ways. First, by pressing the mode button, you can use 6 intelligent flight modes without any controller. Second, you can fly it using your smartphone through the DJI Fly app. And third, you can fly it using the RC and 3 remote controller. For now, let the drone charge. After that, you can watch how to activate the drone from the end screen. Thanks for watching.